In 2023, a law firm quietly started using AI to review contracts and write legal briefs. What used to take lawyers 4 weeks, AI did in 4 hours. That year, 3 associates weren't renewed. No dramatic announcement, no explanation, just silence. This isn't a story about the future. This already happened. Last video shook a lot of people, and the response was clear. Tell us which jobs, be specific. So today, we're going names. 7 specific jobs, 7 industries, already under attack. And if your job is on this list, you need to hear this. Hey, welcome back. If you're new here, we talk about AI. Not hype, not theory, what's actually happening, right now. Let's get into it. Number 1, customer service representatives. Think about the last time you called a company. Did you speak to a human? Or did you press 1 for this, and 2 for that, and somehow never reach anyone real? That wasn't an accident. Companies like Klarna, Amazon, and Airbnb have already replaced thousands of support agents with AI chatbots. Klarna alone announced their AI handles the work of 700 full-time employees. 700 people. Gone. Not fired dramatically, just not replaced when they left. Quietly, slowly, invisibly. And the AI? It works 24 hours, speaks 35 languages, never has a bad day. For a company, that's not a hard decision. Number 2, data entry and administrative work. This one is already over. If your job is primarily entering information into spreadsheets, processing forms, organizing files, AI does this faster, with fewer errors, at almost zero cost. Tools like Microsoft Copilot and Zapier AI can now automate entire workflows that used to need a full-time employee. One insurance company in Ohio reduced their back-office team by 60% in under 18 months. Not because people weren't working hard, because AI worked harder. The question isn't whether this is fair. The question is, what are you going to do about it? Number 3, content writers and copywriters. Now, before you say, AI can't write like a human, let me stop you there. Because in 2024, a major US media company published over 3,000 articles. AI wrote most of them. Readers couldn't tell the difference. The company saved over $2 million in writer salaries. That's not an experiment anymore. That's a business model. Product descriptions, ad copy, email campaigns, social media posts, blog articles, all of it, AI can do. Faster, cheaper, at scale. Does that mean all writers are finished? No. But the writers who only write without learning AI are the ones at risk. Number 4, translators and language professionals. This one hits different, because people spent years, sometimes decades, mastering a second or third language. And now? DeepL, Google Translate, GPT-4. They translate documents, emails, entire books in seconds, with an accuracy that used to be impossible. The United Nations, one of the biggest employers of human translators in the world, has already started integrating AI translation into their workflow. The demand for basic translation work has dropped by over 40% in 3 years. Languages that took a lifetime to learn, processed by a machine in milliseconds. Number 5, junior developers and programmers. This one surprised even me, because for years, coding was considered the safe career. Learn to code, they said. Machines can't do that, they said. Then GitHub Copilot came out, then GPT-4, then Claude, then Devin, the first fully autonomous AI software engineer. Devin can write code, debug it, deploy it, and fix errors, without a single human instruction after the first prompt. A startup in San Francisco used Devin to build an entire web application in 72 hours that would have taken a junior dev team 3 to 4 weeks. Senior developers who understand AI tools, still in demand. Junior developers doing basic tasks, that pipeline is shrinking, fast. Number 6, graphic designers. Imagine spending 4 years in design school, building a portfolio, learning color theory, typography, composition, and then a client types 7 words into Midjourney and gets exactly what they wanted in 30 seconds for free. Canva AI, Adobe Firefly, Midjourney, DALL-E. These tools are not just helping designers anymore. They're replacing the entry-level work that used to build careers. Logo concepts, social media graphics, ad creatives, book covers. A marketing agency in London cut their design freelancer budget by 70% after adopting AI tools. The creative director said, "We still need humans for strategy and direction, but execution, AI handles that now." Execution. That's what most designers were getting paid for. Number 7, and this one is the most unexpected. Radiologists. Medical professionals. People who spent a decade in training. In 2023, an AI system developed by Google detected breast cancer with greater accuracy than trained radiologists. Not slightly better, significantly better. It analyzed thousands of scans in the time it took a human doctor to review just 5. Hospitals in the UK, Japan, and South Korea are already using AI for preliminary diagnostics. This doesn't mean doctors are disappearing, but the number of radiologists needed is already declining in certain markets. When AI starts touching medicine, you realize no industry is truly safe. Not yours, not mine, not anyone's. So there you have it, 7 jobs: customer service, data entry, content writing, translation, junior development, graphic design, even radiology. And this isn't a complete list. This is just what's already happening, right now, documented, confirmed, real. Now here's what I need to say clearly. AI is not evil. It's not trying to hurt you. It's a tool, a very, very powerful tool. And tools don't care about fairness. They don't care about your mortgage or your family or the years you spent building your career. They just work. Faster than us, cheaper than us, without rest. So the real danger isn't AI itself. The real danger is pretending this isn't happening. But here's what no one is talking about. Every single job on that list still has a version that AI cannot replace. The customer service manager who designs AI systems, still needed. The writer who directs AI and adds human strategy, still valuable. The developer who builds with AI tools, more in demand than ever. The designer who uses AI to create 10 times faster, unstoppable. The pattern is the same every time. The people who adapt don't just survive, they thrive. So what do you do right now? First, look at your own job honestly. What do you do every single day that never changes? That's where AI comes first. Second, pick one AI tool this week. Just one. Learn it, use it. Not next month, not when you have time, this week. Third, stop being the person who does the work. Become the person who decides what work gets done. AI executes. Humans should be directing. That shift changes everything. Because here's the thing about this moment in history. We are living through the biggest shift in human work since the Industrial Revolution. The printing press didn't kill writers, it killed scribes. The calculator didn't kill mathematicians, it killed human calculators. The internet didn't kill businesses, it killed the ones that refused to go online. And AI won't kill workers, it will kill the workers who refuse to evolve. The people looking back at this moment in 2030 will either be saying one of two things. I saw it coming, I adapted, and it was the best thing that ever happened to my career. Or, I wish someone had warned me. Consider yourself warned. If this video added value to your thinking, hit like. It tells me to keep making content like this. Subscribe if you haven't, because we're just getting started. Next video, I'm going to show you exactly which skills make you AI-proof in 2026. Not generic advice, specific, actionable, real. See you there.